Hey everyone, welcome back to Careers 360. Today we are diving deep into two major engineering entrance exam in India, JEE Main and SRM JEE. Which one is tougher? Which gives you more options? And how should you strategize your preparation if you are aiming for both the exams? Let's break it all down. Let's move ahead and talk about initially regarding the difficulty level. No doubt JEE Main थोड़ा difficult ज़्यादा है in comparison to SRM JEE. The reason is कि JEE Mains जो है, it is actually going to ask you more conceptual type of the question, whereas SRM JEE tests the basic knowledge of the concepts and its application. Needless to say, JEE Mains is basically a gateway to NITs, triple ITs, GFITs, isn't it? IITs. And SRM JEE is gateway to SRM University only. Talking about the syllabus, JEE Mains is including 3 subjects only, physics, chemistry and mathematics, whereas SRM JEE, it includes basically the 5 different subjects, that is physics, chemistry, mathematics, English and aptitude. Okay, so this is basically a difference. Well, if you want to go in depth and you want to talk about the JEE Mains syllabus for 2026 and SRM JEE syllabus for 2026, the link has been provided to you in the description box, and you need to click that particular link wherein you will be actually showing you. Okay, so this particular interface will be presented to you. आप download easily कर सकते हैं. Okay, let's now move ahead and talk about the syllabus for SRM JEE. Again, the same thing. You need to click on the link given in the description box, and the ebook which we have created for the SRM JEE syllabus will be provided to you. It's freely downloadable. And now let's talk about the exam pattern for JEE Mains and SRM JEE. JEE Main जो है, it's a computer based test. 2 phases में होता है, January session and April session. Duration 3 घंटा. Sections physics, chemistry and mathematics. Okay. Each section, it consists of 25 questions, 20 MCQs and 5 numerical based questions. Total marks for JEE Mains 300. Marking scheme +4 for each correct answer and -1 for each incorrect answer. SRM JEE is a remote proctored online mode, RPOM. So if you are at your home, you can give the examination from sitting at home under certain rules and restrictions. Basically, it happens in 3 phases, duration 2 hours and 30 minutes. 5 sections हैं, physics, chemistry, mathematics, English and aptitude. So English and aptitude inclusively, they contain 20 questions, mathematics 40, physics and chemistry 35 questions each. So a total of 130 marks. Marking scheme +1 for each correct answer, and there is no negative marking also. Let's move ahead and talk about the comparison for number of applicants. No doubt JEE Main में ज़्यादा number of students register कराते हैं in comparison to SRM JEE. So over here you can have a look. This year 2025, over 1.3 million students registered, and the number of students appeared for JEE Mains were 1.25 millions. For SRM JEE, the exact number is not publicly available, but it is estimated to be in lakh. Okay, so the number is actually lower in comparison to JEE Mains for SRM IIST. But yes, SRM sees a significant number of applications. Okay, talking about the top colleges, JEE Mains के through आपको IITs, NITs, triple ITs, GFTIs आपको मिलेंगे ही मिलेंगे. ठीक है. Well, if I now just talk about for SRM JEE, it's a gateway to SRM University. Its campuses which are in Katankulathu, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Katankulathu, Chennai, SRM IST Ramapuram, SRM IST Vadapalani, SRM University Amravati, SRM IST Ghaziabad, SRM University Sonipat and SRM University Sikkim. Let's move ahead and now talk about the overlapping topics or the concepts. I mean to say the similar type of the questions which we have seen this year in JEE Mains and SRM JEE. Coordination chemistry में जो concept है crystal field stabilization energy का, JEE Mains 2025 के अंदर उसी तरह का question आया, and the similar type of the question was asked in SRM JEE. You can have a look. So both are testing the low spin versus high spin T2G/EG splitting. क्वालिटेटिव एनालिसिस ऑफ अमीन्स, ये कॉन्सेप्ट से क्वेश्चन आया जहां पर कार्बाइलामीन टेस्ट के बारे में पूछा गया था. एक तरह से सेम क्वेश्चन था. रिडॉक्स एंड ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ एरोमेटिक अल्कोहल्स, बेंजाइल अल्कोहल की ऑक्सीडेशन टू बेंजोइक एसिड, ये दोनों में ही इसी तरह से पूछा गया. सो इट्स बेसिकली आइडेंटिकल. आई विल से टॉकिंग अबाउट द बोहर मॉडल और क्वांटम नंबर्स, इट्स JEE Mains ने बोहर ऑर्बिट कंडीशंस और उसके एनर्जी लेवल से रिलेटेड कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा था. एंड SRM-J में भी बहुत क्वांटाइजेशन रिलेशन से क्वेश्चन पूछा, सो इट वाज सेम कोर पोस्टुलेट। इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री से नर्न्स इक्वेशन से क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है, यू कैन हैव अ लुक वेयर इट इज आस्किंग अबाउट द इफेक्ट ऑफ पीएच बेसिकली। टॉकिंग अबाउट द न्यूक्लियर केमिस्ट्री एंड द पीरियोडिक ट्रेंड्स, यू कैन सी आइसोटोप्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स काउंट, ठीक है, जेईई मेंस में पूछा गया। SRM-J में उसी तरह का एक क्वेश्चन पूछा गया, सो इट वाज बेसिकली द काउंटिंग न्यूट्रॉन्स फ्रॉम मास एंड एटॉमिक नंबर, ठीक है। सो मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ, द थिंग इज यस, SRM-J जो है वो थोड़ा, आई विल से इट्स लेस डिफिकल्ट इन कंपैरिजन टू जेईई मेन, but it doesn't mean that you are not going to prepare for it. Since you are preparing for JEE Mains, so prepare it very nicely so that SRM-J can be cracked very easily. In case if you are not able to crack JEE Mains or you are not getting good college through JEE Mains score, there is an option out there, SRM-J, which provides you good number of colleges that ranks in NIRF. Okay, so people, that's your full comparison between JEE Mains and SRM-J. Their patterns, difficulty, pros and cons, tips if you are preparing for both. Well, I'm going to provide you some resources for your preparation to SRM-J as well as JEE Mains. We at Careers 360 have created many ebooks basically for your preparation, like SRM-J 2026 mock test, its preparation tips, sample paper, question paper with solution. The links will be provided to you in the description box. You need to click them up. This particular kind of the interface has been shown to you. Okay, you can freely download them. Okay, let's move ahead and talk about the resources that I'm going to provide you. The ebooks for JEE Main preparation, wherein you can find out JEE Main's important formulas, JEE Main 2026 sample paper, the top 30 most repeated questions and topics which every student wants. JEE Main's exams high scoring chapters and topic. Previous 10 years questions with detailed solutions and chapter-wise PYQs. All are sorted over here. The link of all of these ebooks have been provided to you in the description box. Just click them and you will be actually one step ahead for your preparation journey. Isn't it? Yes. So, if this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more exam guidance. Drop your doubts or questions in the comments below. I'll try to answer them. Good luck with your prep. You have got this right.